So, since nobody else has actually posted a video on this, I figured I might as well do one. This is the HC65M headlamp from Nitecore. The main thing is I've been looking for a headlamp that mounts with a Rhino mount or night vision helmet mount. Because currently my search and rescue helmet is, let's see if I can get a better view of this thing. It's this Hardhead Veterans bump helmet with the zebra light. This is the standard headlamp, which I've been trying to find a replacement for, because when I got it, I didn't realize how wide that focus field of view is for it. You can see. But anyway, let's put that to the side here and we'll try unboxing this. Sorry, decided to do this very impromptu, so no other tripod available right now. Well, that looks really nice, actually. Awesome. Let's see. This was supposed to come with a battery, so let me see if I can hunt that down. Well, there's the charger port. I bet you the battery might be in here. Let's see. It is. There's the anti-activation piece. I'm usually a pretty big fan of Nitecore. I've got MH, there is the 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3.6 volts, so it's a little low, will need to get charged. I'm a pretty big fan of the Nitecore lamps. I've got a P12 GT, and then I also have a MH10 and an MH12. So my MH12 is my primary search and rescue handheld light. All right, let's go ahead and see how that works. Yeah, that's bright. That's nice. Two, three, four. I'll have to actually read the manual and see how to turn it off. But yeah, the nice thing is there's the manual. HC65. So it appears this is basically just a mount, night vision mount for the HC65. Either way, I'm going to get it charged up, try it out, and before that, I want to actually mount it to the helmet and see what it looks like. All right, got it figured out here. Let's pop this off and see what the light, how that's going to work. So the way that this works should just rock into place. Let's see which direction. Might be this way. There it is. And there it is. So it's a little loose. Not something like with GoPro and other mounts. I've just put electrical tape or something just to give it a little more padding. But yeah, there it is. And then the activation mode is you've got a hard click, and then you can double half click to go straight to turbo. And you can scroll through all the different modes. Well, that's not half bad. can shift it up and down here. I might have to actually see where to find just this mount, if it's even possible just to find just the mount, because I wouldn't mind getting just that mount for these. We shall see. We shall see. So there's the mount. It doesn't look too bad. There's a little bit of play in it. Controls aren't that bad. Pretty, not too bad at all. Pretty easy to use so far. When it gets dark, we'll take it outside and see how it runs. Got the headlamp. Going to test it against the MH10 and one of the zebra lights. I'll see if I can find which model it was and put it in this. All right, so we're going to start off with the zebra light. Again, this is the 120 degree spread light. So that's the brightest setting right there. You can see very wide spread, but no punch at all. I don't even know if y'all can see the tree right over there. But yeah, nice wide spread. Almost no, well, literally no spotlight at all. It's just a 120 degree wide. All right. And here comes the MH10. All right, this one I'd expect to run very similar because I believe they're both 1000 lumen lights. I'd have to verify what the candela each of these is rated at. This one, you should get an idea of the hot spot for that. So there's going past. And then let's try the headlamp. All right. I believe that is the brightest setting. So definitely a lot more of a spotlight than the MH10. But it definitely has enough punch to work. I can see that tree in the distance. Let me shine that on there. See that tree? This is with that. I can actually see it pretty well. Not a lot of detail on it, but I can see it well enough. And then with this, so with a wandering sort of a 2 light use with your more directional handheld light as well as a less directional headlamp, this one definitely is better than my current zebra light, which will just punch up the closest 20-25 feet and then nothing else. So let's turn ahead and see what y'all see through that. Anyway, totally not scientific, just a little small little experience. I want to have y'all get an idea of it, and you can obviously pull up the specs and go with that, but I figured, again, nobody else has any. I think I found one review in Russian for the HC335 or HC65M, I believe it was, for this model. There was only one review that I'd seen, it was in Russian, so it's a matter of just trying it out and hopefully sharing with you guys. It seems like a very good option for a night vision mounted headlamp. So I wanted to say thank you, everyone. Hope you have a blessed day, and I hope this was helpful in y'all trying out your headlamp options. Take care.